Hi, how to set up a photo booth for automatic printing. So in this example, I'm going to use some software to monitor these two image folders on my desktop, and it's going to auto print any new files coming into those folders, all automatically. And it only takes a couple of minutes to set up. First of all, you need Batch and Print Pro. Once you have it installed, just double click on the icon to set it up. Now in here, if you go into Options menu, Directory Monitor Setup, you can set it to monitor certain folders. I want to monitor these two folders separately. You can print to two different printers as well if you wanted to, but in this example I'm going to print them all to the same. So I'm going to monitor this path here, which is Photos 1. I'm going to just print .jpg because there might be other files in there like text files that you don't want. And choose your printer and then click Add to Monitor List. So that is it for that one folder. It's set up, ready to go. If I activate monitoring, save and exit, it will actually pull in those two files and print them out. You can see it's pulled them both in. Now if I go onto the printer, I can see the two files are there waiting to print. What will happen now, if I say put in another file, so change that to A to B, it should pick that up as a new file, which it has, and it prints that one out. And it logs all the files to the print log here. So you can see exactly what's printed and to what printer. Now, the reason why it doesn't repeat print them is because it logs what's printed, and in the setup it checks the log to make sure it's exactly the same file, and if it is, then it doesn't print it. So that's how that works. So set up the other folder, go to Options, Directory Monitor Setup, change that to 2, and print to the same printer. You can change it if you want to. Then save and exit. So that's now set up. So any files in here should print to that printer as well, which it has. Let's pick those up. Look on the printer now, I've got another two files. Say if I put another new file in there, it'll pick that up and print that out. And it's that simple to use. You can leave it running in the background, just minimize it, and it'll show up in the taskbar at the bottom. And that's it. Give it a try.